Hi guys, good evening. Right now it's about 7:16 p.m. and today's 15th of March 2021. So how are you guys doing? I hope you are making good money. And I really wish that you all are present on my Twitter handle, right? Have a look at, on 24th of November. I have tweeted, I said that huge buying positions are being created in HEG above 96 960, a target of 200 and to 300 points can be seen. Have a look at HEG today, how it has blasted. Like, I'm sure you all must be valuing the amount of hard work I put in. So see here, this is where we were. This was our entry 960, if you see on the other side, and how it has gone up, right? A massive blast has taken up, almost like it's heading for a double, right? It is heading for a double. So have a look at the move this particular stock has given, and for that matter, you can have a look at any stock. Have a look at IFL and have a look at any stock. You just pick it up and you have a look at that, and you will be able to judge, how the movement has taken place in all these stocks, right? Have a look at Equitas, given a buy at about whatever price, 868, right? And I have been expecting a return of only 15-20%. It has reached to say 99, almost like 50% return, right? Almost 40% return. And then emphasis, where have I given it, right? Borosil Renewable will also be fine. One doesn't need to worry. Ajanta Pharma will be absolutely fine. Chembond is going to be fine. There is no worry. So have a look at Chembond, like after, because market was heading down, it was also heading down. Now it's above our buy price. I've given a buy at 198. It is at 201.7. There is nothing to worry about in the stocks that I have given you, right? So I have a set of new stocks that I've found and looking extremely good to me. The first one of them is VGuard, right? VGuard is my first stock, and the reason for this is, it went down till a certain point, then went up, then came down, then took a support from that reason, and now it looks to be heading for a breakout, right? So this is first stock that is on my radar. The next stock in the cash segment that I have on my radar is Birla Cables, right? This is how Birla Cables look like. Consolidation is going on from almost 6th January till now, almost 2.5 months. Now, if it goes above 70, what am I expecting? Let me have a look and go to the past. I'm expecting it to go till about 85 for sure, right? That means about 20% return I'm surely expecting. And if it crosses this particular region, I will be expecting 90. And if 90 is crossed, I'm surely going to expect 100 from this particular stock, right? So that means from 70 to 100, right? That means about 35, 50%, 40, 45% return I'm expecting, right? A simple reason for me is that the consolidation is on, and it tried to go down, didn't manage to break this, then went up, then again came down from the same level. It has taken a support and went up, and now if it breaks the high, I'm expecting a target of 100, right? In case 100 is broken, right, look at from where it started falling down. It started falling down from 230, right? Where we stand here, right? And what are we expecting? Minimum 100. But if 100 is, broken, right, this going to be a kind of multi-bagger you can expect. And a simple reason that I can explain you, which probably will make sense to you: the price is shifting in the upward direction, right? Every time price has shifted in the upward direction. See here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All these places prices shifted down. Here it just tried to hold itself, right? So that's a very big reason for me to understand that the price is shifting in the upward direction. This is a stable region, then this and this, right? So price is slowly, gradually shifting in the upward direction, right? That's one. And this was a major place where it has taken time and again resistance. Now, if this same place is crossed tomorrow or the day after or in a few days, I'm surely expecting a big move up. So 70 is my buying place, and my first target is going to be 85. After 85 it's 90, and after 90 it's 90, 100, and after 100 will be 125, right? These are my targets for Birla Cables, right? A good company, not a bad company. If you really want to check about the company's you know what do you say, the fundamentals, you can come here and you can type Birla Cable and check what's happening in the company, right? What is exactly happening in the stock? The price is almost like heading in the upper direction, and the various the peer comparisons, you can have a look. Sterlite Tech, Vindhya, Telelink, Birla Cables, etc. I would like to see how the sales are happening. So sales have declined, right? That's not a good sign, and that probably is also reflecting in the price, how the price has fallen, right? So that is probably reflecting in here. And then what has happened to their operating profits? That has also gone down. Tax have gone up, right? And profit before tax is also gone down. So the fundamentals are definitely not good. But this could be a turning point for the company, and that is why I see what is I'm seeing over in the price, right? Price is telling me something which is so, I mean, as I told you, I don't trade by looking price for a day or for few days. I check them over a period of time, and now it looks good to me, right? Now it looks good to me and looks to be heading up. So first stock that I have given you is V-Guard, the second is the Birla Cable, and the third stock that I have on my radar I would like to give will be, out of them, any, right? So HCL Tech is looking good. This is how HCL Tech looks. It's in a channel. If it breaks tomorrow this high, which is 1000 is going to be a very psychological mark, because a lot of option writers are active at this place. So it has to be staying above 1005 for at least 15 minutes, and if it stays like that, then we will be able to, then only we should buy it. So HCL Tech is the first FNO stock on my radar. The next FNO stock that I have on my radar is Lupin, right? So Lupin looks good, like how it's been going up, down, up, down, up, down. This channel is not getting broken, right? Although it tried many times to break through this channel. See here, this place, but not being able to sustain. So now what I'm expecting, if Lupin goes above 1068 or 1070, it should really have a movement towards 1110, right? So that's another very, very good stock on my radar. Then REC Limited, right? This is another stock that I'm finding very good for an entry. Where should we take an entry? Actually, right here at 154 0.55, right? Because if you ask me, where will I take an entry? For me, this is not a resistance, right? This is probably not a resistance. It happened because Nifty was in a negative zone, right? So my entry, I'm saying you don't have to take that, right? You have to be careful. My entry will be at 153.3, right? Above 153.3, we will take we can take an, I will take an entry, but you should not take it, right? And what will be my first target? My first target will be about 156.5, which is roughly about 3.5 points. And after this zone is crossed, like, which is 156.5, which is a very, very heavy resistance zone, I'm expecting a target of 170, right? This is what I'm expecting from REC Limited, right? So this is how it looks like. So I'm telling you, you guys have to take an entry after 154.55, right? And then your first target will be 157, and after 157 you can target 160, 164, 166, 169, 168, and 170. Those are going to be a target. Another trade that looks very good to me is Titan, right? So Titan, our buying entry is at 1510, right? Look at how it took support on this channel and moved in the upper direction. So above this place, which is 1510, we can expect a good move in Titan. And we discussed HCL Tech, we discussed Lupin, Apollo Hospital, right? Even Apollo Hospital looks very good. The kind of price rejection. So 3 days Nifty has been going down, but this particular stock was in the upward channel. And today again, Nifty fell so much, but this took a bounce from the bottom, right? And if tomorrow it goes above 3035, I'm expecting a move till about 3100, 3100, and then 3200, and so on and so forth. So 𝐕 and Birla Cable are my positional trades, and these are basically cash trades. And the other 5 stocks, which is Tata Chem, Titan. Tata Chem is also looking good, right? The way it stands over here, above 795, we can definitely look for some good movement in the upper direction. So Titan, Lupin, REC Limited, HCL Limited, and Apollo Hospital. These are going to be my 5 or 6 stocks in futures. 𝐕 and Birla Cable are my trades for cash. So hold them and definitely be present on my Telegram channel, right? Have a look at the stocks that I have given today. I have asked, I said buy TechM. TechM has given 2 entries, one after the other. First, we got 10-15 points. I've given a buy on Scient, it gave 7 points. Then I've given a buy on Petronet call, it gave about, from this level, it gave about 2 rupees. From this level, it gave about 1 rupee. Then I have asked to buy Mindtree, right? Mindtree also blasted in the here. See here, 1905. Mindtree also gave a good blaster. Okay, one more stock I'm going to add here. Please keep it on radar. I'm holding its call, right? I'm holding its call options from the very, very, low levels, but you still can keep in radar. It looks very good to me for a target of, and that's Infi, right? So Infi right now is 1373. What I understand, in this expiry itself, it should definitely reach at least 1450 or 1500. I'm expecting, I may be wrong, I'm not saying that I'm 100% correct, but it could touch 1500. That's the capacity Infi has. So with this, I'm signing off and hoping that you guys are making money and you're following me on Twitter, following me on Telegram, and watching my videos on the YouTube channel. Just do your best and make money along with Stock Pro. All the best, guys. If you've made money, please share my channel, my Telegram channel, my YouTube channel, and my Twitter handle with others. So bye bye, take care, and have the most wonderful week ahead. Make money every single day with Stock Pro. All the best, guys. Take care.